Alright, Tom's TV Media with all about cars for the
Eh,
Go to Garahe episode
Na-miss niyo ba kami?
na kaming upload lately.
You know, Media Cartel in the house.
Media Cartel.
Yes, magandang hapon sa inyo everyone and welcome to our another episode for Go to Garahe. And we are here at Alabang Philinvest 10 for the Aesthetics Toyota Year 5. Yun, grabe. And of course, hindi namin ito ma-upload right away. Pero if you are here in the area, you can drop by. You can just pay the parking and libre naman to.
At kung hindi naman sila makapunta dito, panoorin na nila sa YouTube.
YouTube, yes. We'll try to feature every car, every Toyota that is here. Yung kapatid, oh. Media Cartel in the house. Yun, napakalupit niyan. Of course, Joms TV. Shout out to
Become legendary.
Become Legendary Ray.
BC.
Kaya busy. Kumakarera ngayon. Congratulations doon sa team nila sa Clark. Okay lang. Recently lumaban. And I think nagkaroon ng ano. Of course, yun. Race squad. Race squad.
Guys.
Congrats. So, please do watch. And of course, subscribe to our channel, Joms TV. All about cars. And become legendary. And of course, go to Garahe. And abangan nyo yung videos and mga feature ng mga kotse na dito. Grabe, hindi din. Grabe.
Pickup, SUV, small SUV, old school.
Thank you to Ma'am Cristel for inviting us. Thank you din sa pa-t-shirt ng Aesthetics Toyota. Grabe, solid ng t-shirt. Solid. Solid. And of course, later ang host natin dito is si Moab TV. Yan, makakasama natin siya. So, yun. See you guys. Maraming salamat again sa pag-follow. Please share, like, and subscribe. Go to Garahe, Jumps TV, all about cars, become legendary.
YouTube, TikTok,
Facebook,
Instagram.
Okay, kompleto na. Thank you.
Let's go.
Grabe, para ako nasa Japan. This is the Toyota Vitz. Or ang tawag din nila ay Toyota Echo. Yun, no? Shoutout sa owner na to. Grabe. Solid. Tapos ito yung newer version. Grabe.
Masaya mag-ganyan, tolerate.
Oo, maglolo rin. Shout out to JDM Underground. Grabe, Corolla Euro 2. You know, Talembang Toys in the house. For shout out to Sir Pao. You know, Sir Pao, napaka-pogi, sir. Grabe, ang pogi. Yan, busy lang si Sir Pao. But of course, Talembang Toys. Alam naman natin na lagi itong kasama sa mga car events, car meets, and you can visit their Facebook page. Yan, Talembang Toys. And kung nahihilig na kayo sa mga RCs, yon, yeah, message nyo lang sila on Facebook. Again, Talembang Toys. Yo. Guys, ito yung bagong Toyota Tamaraw. Tingnan nyo naman. Naka-TE yung Tamaraw. With a TE37 and of course the AP Racing. Shout out sa owner. Hi sir. Pogi eh, oh grabe. Grabe. Wow, of course we all know this is the Toyota Supra. Grabe. And I think this is the second gen ng Land Cruiser. Yan. Second gen. Again, shout out to Race Squad. Yan, Race Squad, grabe. And of course, this is the old Land Cruiser, pero grabe, ito yung merong pwedeng kargahan sa likod. Ayan, no? Grabe. Na-maintain pa nila. Na-maintain pa nila, grabe. Of course, shout out to Mr. Harry Lim, ang kanyang Toyota Revo for Stance Pilipinas, Clean Culture, and Hardcore Manila. Yan. Ganda, ang ganda. Grabe. This is another Toyota Yaris. Grabe. Grabe yung mga kits. Yeah. Of course, shout out to Diamond Detail of Sir JP. BCH Performance, of course, si Sir Bachi. Aesthetics Toyota, and of course, JDM Underground. Yeah. Guys, tignan nyo tong Alphard. Naka TE37. Solid. Shout out to Automotive Aesthetics. Grabe. Ganda na car ninyo. Hybrid. HEV. Toyota Alphard. Ayan. Grabe. And here's another Land Cruiser. Of course, the famous Bueno. So, meron pa mga display dito sa labas ng Philinvest Tent. Ayan. Grabe. Kaya natin ikutan. Grabe, oh. Shout out to Mr. Dave Avanzado. Yun. Napaka-pogi ng kanyang Toyota Corona. Ayan o, mga boss. So again guys, we are here at Philinvest Tent, Alabang for the Year 5 of Aesthetics Toyota. Yan. So, nandito tayo sa labas. They're outdoor parking. So, meron mga show cars na nandun sa loob. So, yun. Yan, let's check out kung ano yung mga sasakyan na nandito. Grabe to. Supra.
Saan ka ba under sa JDM yun? Oo. Si Sir Francis Patsado.
Shout out kay
Uy, boss!
Boss Dave. Congrats ha, congrats. Grabe na oh. Pogi ng mga old school na Toyota guys. For shout out to Hardcore Manila. Ayan. This is an old school, I think, Toyota Crown. And this one, you know, grabe. Tingnan natin kung ano to, guys. Okay, grabe. Yan nga, Toyota Crown. And this is the Toyota Corona GX. We also have the old school Toyota Corolla. And yung isa Corolla GT. Yan. Over here, yung mga race and mga Hilux. Hilux GR. Yan, mga fully naka-dress up. So, grabe, oh. Then, bringing you back to the 80s era. Yun, mga 80s na Toyota. Ano, pogi nito, guys. GT. Guys, ang cute nito, guys. Para tayo nasa Japan. K-Car. Yun, they call it the Fun Cargo. Pogi, grabe, pogi. And we are still here at the Gear 5 for the Aesthetics Toyota. Ayan. And congrats to the members and to the admin officers of Aesthetics Toyota for a successful event. Yan. Grabe to, pogi. Yaris GR. Land Cruiser. Gen 1 Toyota Vitz. Again, thank you so much for watching, and please also subscribe to Joms TV and become legendary. Pogi ng 86. Old school na Land Cruiser. Again, thank you for watching the video. Of course, this is one of the episodes of Go to Garahe. And again, congratulations to Aesthetics Toyota. Year 5 na sila. Yun. Napaka-solid ng event. Napakalinis ng mga builds. And of course, the community of Toyota owners, saludo ako sa inyo. Hats off. Hats off sa mga organizers. Hats off kina Ma'am Cristel and the team. And of course, to shout out again to Legendary. Yun, miss ka na namin ni Joms. Ayun si Joms TV, may kausap lang. So again, thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share our page, all about cars. Again, this is Darwin. Of course, Joms TV, Come Legendary, Moab TV will be hosting today. And of course, Go to Garahe. Maraming salamat po. And see you soon.